All right, folks, let's talk brass tacks. If you are fixing to head out for that next hunt, but your wallet is looking a little thin, do not sweat it. 2025 has got plenty of iron that will put meat on the table without bleeding your bank account dry. Now, I know what you are thinking. With the market flooded, which rifles actually earn their keep? Which ones hit the mark without the price tag of a custom-built Safe Queen? Stick with me. We are breaking down the top 7 budget hunting rifles for 2025. Rigs that flat out perform. Whether you are glassing for mule deer, stalking hogs in the brush, or just wanting a solid bolt gun that won't break the bank. Locked and loaded. Let's dive in. Number 7. Stevens 334. Budget rifle that packs a punch. We are kicking this list off with a solid contender in the affordable hunting rifle game. The Stevens 334. Price tag right around $450, but do not let that sticker price fool you. This platform is rocking a free-floating, button-rifled carbon steel barrel. It is built for precision, so your groups stay tight and consistent, hunt after hunt. Now, when it comes to calibers, Stevens gives you the standard spread. 308 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, 243 Winchester. And here is the sweet part. Every caliber comes with your choice of a synthetic stock or that classic wood look. So whether you want something lightweight and rugged to drag through the mud, or you are after that traditional walnut finish, you are covered. Speaking of comfort, that recoil pad is a total game changer. If you are the kind of shooter who is burning through boxes of ammo at the range or spending all day in the field, this rifle helps soak up that kick so you stay comfortable longer. And hey, just because it is affordable does not mean it has to look cheap. The Stevens 334 sports an ergonomic sporter-style stock, crafted from Turkish walnut on the wood models. It gives it that high-end classic feel without the high-end price tag. Optics? No worries there. The matte black carbon steel receiver comes drilled and tapped, ready for your favorite scope setup. No gunsmithing required. Plus, the factory-installed Picatinny rail gives you plenty of real estate for mounting optics or accessories exactly how you like them. Let's not skip the small details that matter in the field. Detachable box mag, quick to pop in, quick to drop out. Makes reload smooth as butter. Dual sling swivel studs. Easy to hook up your sling and carry it long distances without fighting the rifle. 60-degree bolt lift with triple locking lugs. That means fast, smooth cycling every time you run the action. Bottom line, the Stevens 334 gives you a whole lot of rifle without asking for a whole lot of cash. Definitely worth a spot on your shortlist for 2025. Number 6. Weatherby Vanguard. Built tough, priced right. Moving right along. Next up, we got a rifle that punches way above its weight class. The Weatherby Vanguard. Now this beauty is rocking a Vanguard brown tungsten stock, paired up with a full Cerakote finish across the barrel, receiver, bolt, and safety. That ain't just for looks, folks. That Cerakote is built to take a beating from the elements. Rain, mud, snow, bring it on. This rig is made for all weather abuse. Down the pipe, you are looking at a cold hammer-forged barrel. That is the same kind of craftsmanship you see on rifles that will cost you twice as much. Accuracy is dead-on consistent. Hunt after hunt, it delivers. Worried about recoil knocking you around, especially with those bigger Magnum calibers? That is where the integral recoil lug steps in. It is built to soak up that energy and spread it evenly across the stock and action, so your rifle stays planted, shot after shot. The trigger has got you covered too. 2-stage, adjustable down to 2.5 pounds. Crisp as breaking glass. Perfect for precision work, whether you are punching paper or putting venison in the freezer. Now, let's talk reliability. Weatherby did not cut corners here. The M16 style extractor rips those spent cases out smooth every single time, so you are not fiddling with stuck brass or dealing with jams when that trophy buck steps out. And when the hunt gets rough, muddy, dusty, or you forgot your cleaning kit, no worries. The fluted bolt body keeps your cycling slick and reliable, even when your maintenance routine has been, let's just say, relaxed. Safety is always first, right? The Weatherby Vanguard has got your 6 with a fully shrouded bolt design and 3 built-in gas ports, engineered to vent pressure safely away from your face if things go sideways with a hot load. Peace of mind baked right in. Price is just $739. And for the premium feel and rugged features this thing is packing, it is worth every penny. Number 5. Mossberg Patriot. Classic looks, big value. Coming in hot at number 5, we got the Mossberg Patriot. A solid choice for anyone wanting reliable performance without handing over their whole paycheck. First thing, options. You ain't stuck with one caliber here. Whether you are after the punch of a .308 Winchester or you want to roll with the flat-shooting 7mm .08 Remington, Mossberg has got you covered. Pick the round that suits your hunt, your recoil preference, and your style. Now check this out. That fluted bolt is smooth as glass. Chambering rounds is quick and reliable, even when conditions get nasty. Plus, they designed the bolt handle and knob so you can work it easy, even with gloves on. Because let's be honest, most hunts ain't happening in 70-degree sunshine. Loading and unloading, no headaches here. The detachable box mag pops in and out fast, keeps things safe and convenient, gets you back on target in no time. Trigger-wise, Mossberg dropped in some real adjustability with their lightning trigger system. Dial your pull weight anywhere from 2 pounds to 7. Fine-tune it how you like it. Whether you are into hair triggers or want something with a little more wall. Optics? Easy day. This rifle rolls out the factory door with a Weaver scope base pre-mounted. Slap on your favorite glass and you are good to go. And hey, this thing ain't just functional. It looks the part too. That walnut stock brings that classic traditional rifle vibe. And the blued barrel and receiver tie it all together, adding durability along with sharp looks. Best part? Multiple models tailored for different roles. Whether you are tree stand hunting, still hunting, or working up a backcountry setup. All this for just around $449, depending on the setup. That is serious bang for your buck. Number 4. Savage Axis XP. Lightweight, hunt-ready, easy on the wallet. Alright, y'all. If you want a rifle that flat out performs but keeps your bank account intact, pay attention. The Savage Axis XP is one you do not want to overlook. First off, caliber options. You ain't locked into one setup. Pick your poison. The classic 30-06 Springfield for big game knockdown power. The reliable .308 Winchester for all-around versatility. Or the straight wall .350 Legend. Perfect for states with those specific cartridge regulations. Now let's talk weight. You ever haul a heavy rifle across the backcountry all day? Feels like carrying a sack of bricks by noon. That is where the Axis XP shines. Lightweight by design, thanks to that synthetic stock. Built tough. Built to go the distance. It won't wear you down. Weather? Do not sweat it. Rain, snow, mud, this stock laughs it off. Durable and weather-resistant. Ready for whatever your hunt throws at you. Quick reloads? Savage keeps it simple with a 4-round detachable box mag. Fast to swap, smooth to run. Cold weather hunts, no problem. The oversized trigger guard has got plenty of room for a gloved trigger finger, so even in freezing temps, you stay in control. Durability is dialed in too. Barrel and receiver crafted from carbon steel, finished in matte black. Adds that stealthy look and keeps rust and corrosion off your gear. Now, here's the kicker. For just $379, you are not just getting a rifle, you are getting a package deal. The factory-mounted, bore-sighted 3-9 by 40mm scope comes straight out of the box, ready to zero. That means less time at the bench, more time in the woods. And those heavy textured grip panels? Non-slip, rock-solid hold, even when your hands are slick or the weather turns nasty. Bottom line, lightweight, scope included, rugged enough to ride the rough stuff for under $400. The Savage Axis XP absolutely belongs on your radar for 2025. Number 3. Howa M1500 Mini Action. Compact, precise, built to run. Next up, we got a rifle making serious waves with hunters looking for lightweight precision without the premium price. The Howa M1500 Mini Action. Price tag sitting pretty at $539. And here is why it is worth every penny. This rifle trims the fat, literally. The action is shaved down to just 6 inches, making it shorter, lighter, and easier to maneuver in the woods, the stand, or tight spots. Caliber options? You have got plenty to play with. .223 Remington, flat shooting, fast follow-ups. 6.5 Grendel, long-range punch in a compact setup. 7.62 by 39mm, cheap, proven, hard-hitting. 6mm arc, sleek ballistics, modern efficiency. 350 Legend, straight wall legal, plenty of thump. Slick grab the 223 Remington version and you are good to thread on a flash suppressor right from the jump. Perfect for low light work. Target stays visible, muzzle flash stays tamed. Want to quiet it down? The threaded barrel is ready for a suppressor or your favorite muzzle device. Tactical versatility built in. Maintenance? Easy day. Forged, lightened, one-piece bolt makes teardown fast and reliable. Built for abuse. Durability and precision are locked in with a cold hammer-forged threaded barrel. Engineered to take a beating and keep printing tight groups, shot after shot. The stock? Howa did not skimp. HTI synthetic, pillar-bedded, weather-resistant. Locks that action solid for better accuracy no matter the conditions. Scope ready? Absolutely. Drilled and tapped straight from the factory. Mount your glass, zero in, hit the woods. No mods, no fuss. Bottom line, light, accurate, rugged, adaptable. The Howa M1500 Mini Action brings premium bolt gun features to the budget market. No compromises. Number 2. CVA Scout. Simple, tough, no-nonsense hunting rifle. All right, y'all. Still hunting for that wallet-friendly rifle? Let me throw this one at you. The CVA Scout. Simple design, solid performance, and priced so right it will make your trigger finger itch. This one is a single-shot break-action rifle. Old school, reliable, dead simple to run. Exactly what you want when the shot counts, and there is no room for error. Caliber choices? You got options to dial it in for your hunt. 243 Winchester. Light recoil, versatile for varmints to whitetail. 350 Legend. Straight wall, legal where needed, hard hitting. And yep, even 44 Magnum. Perfect for brush hunts or heavy knockdown inside 100 yards. Barrel lengths vary based on your caliber. From a compact 16¼ inches, easy to maneuver in thick timber, up to a longer 22-inch barrel for stretching that accuracy out at distance. And no matter which model you run, they all come standard with a threaded muzzle, ready for a suppressor, brake, or flash hider. Tailor it how you want. Worried about recoil? CVA thought ahead. Comes factory fit with a crush zone recoil pad, built to eat up that shoulder thump so you stay comfortable even running hotter loads. Mounting optics? Easy day. The Durasight scope rail comes pre-installed. Slap your glass on, zero in, no gunsmith needed. Handling could not be simpler. Beginner or seasoned hunter, this rifle points clean, shoulders quick, and cycles smooth with that break-action design. The stock is full synthetic, built to take abuse. Rain, snow, brush, you name it. Keeps weight down and durability up. Plus, it is ambidextrous. So whether you are a righty or southpaw, no awkward controls, no funky ergonomics. Just grab it and go. Price? You are sitting pretty between $300 and $500 depending on caliber and setup. Hard to beat for a rugged, reliable rifle ready to hunt. Number 1. Tikka T3X Lite bolt-action rifle. Featherweight, hard-hitting, built to last. All right, y'all. Topping off the list, we got a rifle that feels high-end but won't clean out your wallet. The Tikka T3X Lite bolt-action rifle weighs in at just 6.5 pounds. Light as a feather. But do not let that fool you. This thing is tough, durable, and built to hunt hard. If you are planning all-day stalks, climbing hills, or posting up in rough country, that lightweight design keeps you moving without your rifle dragging you down. But being light does not mean it is some flimsy toy. Tikka built this one with a rugged synthetic stock and a blued barrel. So you are getting corrosion resistance, solid construction, and plenty of field durability. The trigger is fully adjustable. Dial it in exactly how you like it. Want a hair trigger for long-range precision? Done. Prefer a little heavier pull for hunting gloves or rough conditions? You got it. What really sets the T3X Lite apart is comfort and adaptability. Check the interchangeable pistol grips. Swap them out to match your hand size and shooting style. The rifle fits you, not the other way around. High-quality recoil pad eats up the kick. Keeps you shooting longer without getting beat up on your shoulder. Optic setup could not be easier. Tikka added extra screw placements on top of the receiver, so mounting a scope base or Picatinny rail is quick, solid, and stays locked in. price for the build quality, performance, and comfort features baked in, you are sitting at $769, worth every dollar for a rifle that runs this smooth. Bottom line, light to carry, heavy on performance, customizable to your style. The Tikka T3X Lite earns its spot as one of the best budget bolt guns for 2025. All right, hunters, there you have it. 7 budget rifles built to run, built to hunt, and built to perform without breaking the bank. If you want to stay locked in with more no BS gun talk, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what you are carrying this season. I will catch you all on the next one. Stay sharp, shoot straight. We are out.